Welcome to this tutorial series. In this tutorial series, we will practice Python every day. As you can see, I already have 10 simple Python programs that will help you learn Python and be more familiar with a lot of Python functions. I'll be adding a lot more, so make sure you subscribe, follow, and practice with me every day. Okay, so let's get started. Today, we are going to create a Python program that takes a user input and prints it. So this is a very simple program. We will run it and it will ask user for the input and we will print it. So how can we do this? We create a variable and we take input from the user. We write enter something, and this is what the user will see, and user will enter something, and that will be saved in user input. And now what we need to do, we need to just print the input, right? So where is the input? Input is in user input, and what we need to do, we need to print it. So what happens is we just print, and what do we print? Let's say we print you entered, and what did the user enter? The user entered user input, right? So now let's run this and let's see what happens. So now enter something is written here. Let's enter hello world, and now you entered hello world is printed. So this is it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.